You might be focused on your Labor Day weekend plans, but don't forget that the holiday is also a great time to score savings. We've rounded up some of the best sales events for you so that you can skip right to the fun part, shopping. Who can resist an epic tech deal? Now through September 10th, Lenovo is offering over half off PCs, accessories, tablets, and more. Get the tech you need, plus all the gear you need to go with it, like headphones or a wireless keyboard, just in time for the back-to-school season. Ready to book a last-minute Labor Day getaway? It's possible, thanks to Hotels.com. The brand is offering a 4% cashback deal all month long, with a special 8% cashback deal available September 3rd through 6th. Whether you have a domestic destination or a tropical island in mind, you can save when you book now. If you can't get enough of Tarte Cosmetics or have been eager to give the brand a try, you're in luck. Stock up on all the high-performance beauty essentials you want and receive 15% off your order with code RMNUS15. That's right, this sale is a RetailMeNot exclusive. Get everything you need to try that new makeup trend or transition your skincare routine from summer to fall for less. Thanks for watching our quick picks. Happy shopping!